In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe Express account in just under 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered how to set up this powerful tool for seamless payment processing, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this step by step, ensuring that you have a comprehensive understanding of each stage, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to stripe.com. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the address. Once the homepage loads, the next step is to locate and click on the Sign In button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the authentication page, where you'll need to enter your login credentials. Now enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Be sure to double check for any typos, as these can prevent you from successfully signing in. Once everything is correctly input, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, look towards the left-hand menu and head over to the Home section. This is your starting point for navigating various features and settings within Stripe. From here, your next step will be to click on Settings, located again in the left-hand navigation menu. It's important you're here because all crucial configurations related to your account are made through the Settings page. When you're within the Settings area, scroll through until you see Product Settings. Under this section, find and click on the option labeled Connect. What we're doing here in Connect is essentially managing how you'll accept payments and handle financial activities through your new Stripe Express account. You'll notice several onboarding options become visible. Take a moment to select the onboarding options that suit your needs. If you're unsure at this point, consider consulting with Stripe's documentation or help center, which offers great insights on maximizing the platform's capabilities. Now that you've selected your onboarding options, the next movement is to choose a country from the drop-down list. It's essential to ensure that you select the correct country, since this determines critical account-specific parameters like currency, compliance, and regulation settings. As you move forward, you'll need to tick the appropriate boxes for agreement or settings that apply. Don't be shy about textually confirming what each box refers to before selecting. Finally, and most crucially, confirm that all information entered is correct, and then click on the Save button. This action seals the deal and saves all your settings and configurations. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Stripe Express account. Now you're ready to start managing payments and transactions like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more